This duo lifts and brightens tired eyes. This duo is really going to transform how bright and how sparkly your eyes look on any given day. Not only will this duo lighten and brighten your eyes, it will also lift your eyes too. I absolutely love what this duo does to my eyes. It really has my back when I'm feeling particularly tired. It brightens the whites of your eyes and it also intensifies the colour of your iris. This will really just make tired eyes come to life like nothing else. I think you're going to love how easy and quick they are to apply. It's like an instant 8-hour sleep in a little duo. I hope you love it just as much as I do.